Hey everyone, good Monday afternoon. We've got a lot to go over, so let's get right to it. Our first alert weather day is quickly approaching, and for some of us, conditions will start to deteriorate later this evening. So here I want to start with your hour-by-hour planner. This is just after midnight, 2 a.m. This first pause point here. Look to the south. The pink is freezing rain. That is going to be a concern before the snow falls for some of us in the Southern Valley in southeastern North Dakota. But also later tonight, some folks will start to see some snow developing. And this continues through the overnight hours with ice accumulation and then some snowfall on top of it. So it's going to be already slick and icy for some folks for that morning commute. This is by drive time tomorrow morning, 7:30. Areas of snow, heavy at times, and still some wintry mix, some freezing rain down in parts of the southern Red River Valley. But watch what happens. That area of freezing rain is going to shift to the east and then lift north through the day. So this is midday, 3 o'clock. Widespread snow for most of us through the central Red River Valley and eastern North Dakota, and bands of heavy snow at times. And that wind is going to start picking up through the day as well. So we're looking at freezing rain, then snow, transitioning to heavy snow, and the wind starting to whip through the day. This is now by 10 o'clock at night, and still most of us dealing with snow and bands of heavy snow at times in combination with that wind out of the east to begin with. Now, this is going to transition us to Wednesday morning, and that main area of snow from Tuesday will be lifting up to the north, and some folks, especially south, could see a brief lull in the activity, but don't be caught by surprise. That doesn't mean it's over, because we're going to see additional kind of waves or bands of snow through the day on Wednesday, along with gusty winds. As far as snowfall amounts, get the snow blowers ready, get the shovels ready. Let's start with eastern North Dakota. Areas you see highlighted in purple, that's where we're expecting a general 5 to 9 inches of accumulation by Wednesday night. Areas in pink have the better potential for 7 to 15 or isolated higher amounts of precipitation, especially where you see those brighter bands. That's where we're looking on the higher end of that amount. Now let's shift our attention to northwestern Minnesota. Keep in mind, this is just through Wednesday night, 2 to 6 inches for most, few areas of 5 to 9. There will be additional snow as we head into Thursday, Friday, and even into Saturday as well. So these will become higher. Ice is that other concern early tomorrow. So by tomorrow morning, some areas could see 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of ice accumulation, higher amounts down in the Sisseton Hills, and through northwestern Minnesota, that ice continues to pick up for the second half of the day. So make sure you're prepared. If you have any travel plans, maybe start to rethink those travel plans. If you haven't shared them already, keep that survival kit in your car, and of course, stay tuned with us. Widespread cloud cover, and what you don't see is the freezing drizzle, the freezing mist that is ongoing currently for some areas. And we also have low cloud cover, some freezing drizzle, so visibility is already being reduced in parts of eastern North Dakota and out into central and western North Dakota. Temperatures for most are below freezing, and temperatures really aren't going to move too much through the next 4 or so days. We're going to be very near the freezing mark for several days. Winds have been a concern today out of the south and east, currently gusting to 28 miles per hour in Fergus Falls, gusting to 31 in Sisseton. For tomorrow afternoon, temperatures hovering close to freezing, gusty winds out of the east, and widespread snow, heavy at times. And there's a lot of red still on the 7-day forecast. First alert weather days tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, still tough going with periods of snow Friday and into Saturday. Whew, Bobby, and then we turn cold after that.
Yeah, this looks like, I mean, I can't remember when I've seen a week like this specifically.
It's a mess.
It's
yeah.
definitely going, it isn't going to be. Yep.
Yeah.
Summer, thank you so much.